Welcome to our 60-second guide, withdrawing from FanDuel to your bank in 2026. 005 Open the FanDuel app and sign in with your credentials. 010 Tap the account icon, then choose Withdraw from the wallet menu. 015 Select your linked bank account or add a new one securely. 020 Enter the withdrawal amount, confirm net balance and fees, then tap Continue. 025 Verify with two-factor authentication if prompted, then Submit. 030 on desktop, go to fanduel.com, log in, and open my account. 035 Click Withdraw, pick Bank Transfer, enter amount, and confirm. 040 Typical transfer time is 1 to 5 business days. Instant options vary by bank. 045 FAQ, is there a fee? Usually no FanDuel withdrawal fee, banks may charge. 050 Final checklist, linked bank, verified identity, sufficient balance, and two-factor ready. 055 Thanks for watching. For details, check the description and FanDuel support.